This is where honor lies, my brothers and sisters, with Islam and the Sunnah. Mu'mineen, Umar ibn al-Khattab radiyallahu anhu, he said, we are a people who Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has honored with Islam. And whenever we seek to be honored through other than it, Allah will bring us humiliation. The hadith collected by Al-Hakim in his Mustadrak, and it is authentic. Allah brought us honor with Islam. If you seek to be honored by other than that which Allah has honored you with, then there will be nothing upon you except humiliation and dishonor. Remember that, my brothers and my sisters. Do not ever imagine that anyone from amongst the unbelievers and the sinners and the disobedient ones and the transgressors, that they can give you any honor by following them or following their footsteps, that somehow you'll be raised in society, that you want to be respected and honored through other than obedience to Allah. That will not bring you anything except dishonor. Imitating them and following them will not bring you honor. Barakallahu feekum. The Salaf of this ummah would supplicate to Allah, "Oh Allah, give us honor through your obedience and do not dishonor us through your disobedience." The person, my brothers and sisters, who is obedient to Allah is honorable, and the disobedient one is humiliated. He is dhaleel. He is the one who has no honor, and he is the one who is dishonorable. For this reason, the Prophet ﷺ said in a narration collected by Imam Ahmad in his Musnad, Allah has placed humiliation of lowliness upon the one who opposes my commands. And likewise, Imam Muslim reported from Abu Hurairah that Allah's Messenger ﷺ said, the giving of sadaqah does not reduce your wealth. The giving of sadaqah does not diminish your wealth. And Allah does not raise a person who forgives another except in honor. And one does not humble himself before Allah in obedience except that Allah raises him. This is where honor lies, my brothers and sisters, with Islam and the Sunnah. With being steadfast and knowing that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is Al-Aziz, and He is the one who gives izzah. You will not find it except with the deen of Allah. So Islam is the only way to attain honor in this life and in the next life.